it's your girl Alicia, and I'm coming to you today with another video. And this video today is actually going to be a hair review on these clip-in extensions that you guys see that I'm rocking today. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and come over and join the family. If you are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. Okay, angels, so first and foremost, these hair extensions was actually sent to me from Lovrio Hair. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Lovrio Hair. And these are clip-in extensions, and I'm going to give you guys all the details about the clip-in extensions that I chose personally for myself. First of all, these clip-in extensions is 100% virgin hair, and it is absolutely gorgeous. The length that I chose is 22 inches, and the color that I decided to get was natural black, obviously because I wanted to be able to blend with my natural hair. The hair weight is actually 120 grams of hair, and you're going to get a set of 7 pieces, and you're going to have 17 clips on the hair. So before I get into any more details about this hair, I want to move over to the clip of me unboxing everything so I could just show you guys how everything was packaged, so you guys can get a chance to see what you can expect if you order from this company, like how much hair will it be, what the bundle actually looks like all of the different things. I want you guys to just get a visual on it. So let's go over to the clip of the hair. Okay, angel, so this is what the box looks like. It says Lovrio Hair Human Hair Extensions, and it has the website on it, and it's branded as usual. And then you're going to see that the hair is nicely secure in this plastic wrapping, and you're going to get a headband, you're going to get a wide tooth comb, and you're going to get 2 extra clips. And they have a pamphlet here for like the upkeep of the hair, as far as how do you maintain it, how do you wash it, and things of that sort. Now, when you get into the bundle, I actually took it out the plastic wrap. It's nice and secure in this net, as you guys see here. So I'm going to take the net off to show you guys what the hair actually looks like. So this is the hair. It is nicely, tightly coiled. Everything was nice. The bundle is actually full and secure, and this is what the clips look like. So you just boom, pop it open. You would clip that part right into your hair and then clip it closed. It's super easy. And then I'm just showing you guys here the bundle and how you will unravel it, and each piece has clips on them. Nothing too crazy. And this is just all 7 pieces laid out so you guys can see what the bundle will look like. So let me give you some details about how I actually did my clip-ins. So what I did was I actually left out the perimeter of my hair. So I left out a little bit in the center here, and then I just left out my sides here so I can be able to blend the curly extensions. You guys can actually see where my hair is and where the curly extensions is, and that's because I actually received 22 inches. I chose 22 inches, but what I suggest for you guys to do is, if you do the same thing I did, what I did was I actually braided my natural hair up, and my hair is so long underneath that I just sewed it up to my head. I just sewed my braids up so that, you know, my hair is not like hanging out or anything. So once I sewed my braids up, then I just went and I clipped on each extension piece all the way up to the top, and then I just used my natural hair and I blended it out. Now this is more of a way to do it if you want it to be more low maintenance to maintain your hair, because all you're going to have to focus on is really just the perimeter of your hair, as opposed to if you clipped in your extensions and left your natural hair out. What you would do is you would clip in the extension, and then you will part down your hair, and you will leave that part out, and you will clip it in, part down your hair, clip it in, part down your hair. So that way all of the extensions will be mixed in between your natural hair. Now that way your hair is going to look more fuller and puffier. You're going to get more of a fuller style out of it, but also it's going to be much more upkeep and maintenance, because obviously your natural hair is all mixed into that bundle. So I feel like this way is perfect for me. However, I do suggest, if you decide to do it this way, that you order 2 bundles of hair, because 1 bundle of hair is not enough. Like, it's not full enough. and the back is not full enough whatsoever. So I would suggest that you get 2 bundles of hair. And also, if your hair is a different length, you want to make sure you choose your other lengths according to your natural hair. So my natural hair is pretty long. Obviously the front is shorter, but my natural hair is probably as long as this hair, if not longer. So what I should have done is got a 22 and a 20, and then my natural hair, it wouldn't have been as bad, because you want it to just fall naturally and just pretty much look like it's layered. But the hair itself is absolutely gorgeous. It's soft. I have no complaints about this hair. I will definitely make sure I leave all of the information down in the description bar for you guys to purchase the hair if you're interested. Before I actually installed my clip-ins, I made sure that I washed and conditioned the hair. So the hair was just extra soft, extra beautiful. Like, the hair is extra gorgeous. Even when I was combing through it, I wasn't getting no tingling. I wasn't getting no shedding. Like, I don't have one bad review about this hair besides the fact that I feel like the bundles are not full enough. I feel like if they can just get that one bundle to be full enough for you to be able to not have to mix your natural hair in the middle, and you can still get a full amount out of that one bundle, it will be amazing. But for some people, you might actually like your hair to be this thin. You know, I like to have my hair to be more fuller, so I guess it's just personal preference. But at the same time, you do want to make sure you leave out enough hair so that all of your hair is covered and it looks super natural. Yeah, so recap: 2 bundles if you're going to not mix your real hair in, and 1 bundle is good if you're going to mix your real hair in. That's like the key thing to remember as far as this hair. Other than that, it's absolutely gorgeous. I want you guys to comment down below and let me know what you guys think of it. It's so pretty. Oh, this hair is 100% virgin hair, so you can actually dye this hair if you like to. It's very easy to maintain this hair. All you need is like some conditioner, some water, a little bit of oil. It's really up to you, but you treat this hair just as if you would treat your natural hair, which is amazing to me. I just want to give this Lovrio hair a thumbs up, big thumbs up, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.